Question number 1. Make the correct statement by filling in the symbols by using subset or not subset in the blank spaces. So you have to fill in the blank by using subset or not subset symbol. First, fill in the blank. We are given set 2, 3, 4 and another set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here, yesterday we discussed that this subset symbol can be used to give the relationship between two sets when one set is the part of another set. So here we can say that 2, 3, 4 is the part of the set 1, 2, 3, 4. Then all the elements of this set 2, 3, 4 are the elements of this given set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is subset. So your first answer is subset. Clear? Second one, set ABC dash set BCD. So here you can say that the element A is not the element of the given set BCD. So this set is not the part of this BCD set. Done? So here elements are ABC. Here elements are BC. These two elements are the part of this set, but this A is not part of this set BCD. Condition is all the elements must be the elements of this given set. Then and then we can say that this given set is the subset of this one. So here we can say that this is not a subset of given set. Done. Third one. In third question we are given X where X is the student of your class 11 in your school and X where X is the student of your school. X where X is the student. X is the student of class 11 of your school. Which set is given? Set of all the students of class 11. Dash another set where X is student of your school. Let us now consider our Sanskar Bharati school and 11 science school, class of 11 science. So all the students of class 11, all the students of class 11 science are the students of our school Sanskar Bharati. Yes, all the students of class 11 science are the part of the student of your our Sanskar Bharati school. They are the part. Yes, that means we can say all the students who is studying in 11 science is also the student of Sanskar Bharati school. Yes, so it is subset. Is that clear? Fourth one. X where X is a circle in a plane. Set is X where X is a circle in a plane. Set of all the points on a circle. This is one set. Dash another set is X where X circle in the same plane with the radius 1 unit. X is a circle. X is a circle in the same plane. In the same plane with radius 1 unit. Done. So this one, X is a circle in a plane. So there are infinite planes are there for this set, and for this set, we have to consider the circle in a plane with only 1 unit radius. So we can get only one circle with a fixed center. Then if we are changing the center, then we will get infinite circles. But these points are not common for this case. So we can say that the circle in a plane is the not part of the circle with the circle with 1 unit. So it's a not subset. Clear? Similarly, question number 5. X where X is an equilateral triangle in a plane. So all equilateral triangle in a plane are the part of triangle in the same plane. Done? So we can say it's a subset. I'm not writing the question. X where X is an equilateral triangle in a plane. So you have to consider the set of all the set of all the equilateral triangles in a plane. So all equilateral triangles are the part of all the type of triangles which lies in the same plane. Done? So it's a subset. Question number 6. 6 fill in the blank. X where X is a even natural number. हम्म कौन सा नंबर करेंगे? हाँ हाँ. X where X is a triangle in a plane and X where X is a triangle in a same plane. तो क्या होगा? सबसेट. हाँ हाँ. X is a triangle in a plane where X is a rectangle in a same plane. So not subset. है ना? 5th नंबर में आएगा नॉट सबसेट, और जो 6 वाला आंसर है उसमें आएगा सबसेट. डन. और 7th, even natural numbers. Even natural numbers are the subset of integers. So it's the subset. Clear? इसमें कोई डाउट? Now question number 2. True and false. Examine whether the following statements are true or false. We have to check whether the given statements are true or false. First one. Set AB is not subset of set BCA. True or false? Yes. Given statement is false. Why? Because this set AB is the part of this given set. Done. So every element of set this one are the element of this set. So this one is false. Second one. Set AE is subset of, क्या लिखा है? X, where X is a vowel in English alphabets. So vowels in English alphabets are A, E, I, O, U. So AE is a subset of given sets. So given statement is true. This one is true. Third one. 1, 2, 3. Set 1, 2, 3 is a subset of 1, 3, 5. Condition for this subset is all the elements must be the part of this one. Here only 1 and 3 are the part of this set. 2 is not that. So it's a false statement. Very good. Fourth one. Set A. Set A is the subset of set A, B, C. True. This one is true because A is the part of this set, so it's a subset. Fifth one, set A belongs to A, B, C. कल ये हमने डिस्कस किया था, है ना? This one is false, है ना? Belongs to sign is used to give the relationship between any element and set. So here we can't say that this set A is the element of this set है ना? यहाँ पर कौन सी साइन होनी चाहिए? ये सबसेट वाली होनी चाहिए, belongs to नहीं होगा. That one is false. Sixth one, X set A is given. So what is the set A? X where X is the even natural numbers less than 6. So even natural numbers less than 6, even. So it's a 2, 4 and less than 6. So only 2 and 4. So X where X is the even natural numbers less than 6. So elements of set A are 2 and 6. Sorry, 2 and 4. And elements of set B, X where X is a natural number which divides 36. So which natural numbers are there which divide 36? Factors, है ना? Factors, all factors of 36, all all factors, all factors. देखो natural numbers which divide 36, so we can say one can divide 36, 2 can divide 36, 3 can divide 36, 4 can also divide, 6 can divide, 9 can also divide, 12 3 जा 36, उसके बाद आएगा 18 2 जा and 36 1 जा, है ना? These are the all natural numbers which can divide 36. Done? ये समझ में आया? आप नॉर्मली क्या करते हो, प्राइम फैक्टर ही कंसीडर करते हो, लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या दिया है, नेचुरल नंबर्स विच डिवाइड 36. So these are the natural numbers which can divide 36. So this is subset of this set B or not? So 2 and 4. So this one is true statement. Very good. Clear? इसमें कोई डाउट? Now question number 3. For question number 3, we are given one set A. Let set A equal to 1, 2, and one element is given as a set. That means set of number 3 and 4 is the element of set A and 5, है ना? इसमें आपको अच्छी तरह से देखना है. The elements of set A are not 1, 2, number 3 and 4, है ना? This one is one set which is the element of set A. So elements are 1, 2, set 3, 4 and 5. So total 1, 2, 3 and 4 elements are there in set A. So which of the following statements are incorrect and why? You have to check the given statements are correct or not, and you have to give the reason. So first statement is given, set 3 4 is a subset of A. Now what about this? What about 3 4? Incorrect. Yes. यहाँ पर आप देखो 3 4 देख के यहाँ पर सेट ए लिख देंगे तो आपको लगेगा सर ये 3 4 जो एलिमेंट है, लेकिन 3 4 एलिमेंट नहीं है. दिस 3 4 इज वन, ये पूरा एक एलिमेंट है. 3 और 4 ये सेट के एलिमेंट नहीं है, तो ये एक एलिमेंट है और एक सेट है. तो यहाँ पर कौन सा सिंबल आना चाहिए? बिलोंग्स टू आना चाहिए. सो दिस वन इज फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट, है ना? रीजन क्या आएगा? इसका रीजन ऐसे हो सकता है कि ये 3 4 एक एलिमेंट है. सो दिस इज वन एलिमेंट एंड दैट इज बिलोंग्स टू ए. दिस कुड बी अ करेक्ट वन. डन? ये समझ में आ गया सबको? कल ही डिस्कस किया था हमने, है ना? कल का लेक्चर आपने अच्छी तरह से रिवाइज किया है तो आपको ऐसा आ जाएगा. और मैं आपको ये सब लेक्चर की रिवीजन के लिए इसका रिकॉर्डिंग भी आपको ग्रुप में शेयर कर दूंगा, ठीक है, वो आपको देखते रहना है। 3 4 बिलोंग्स टू ए, तो अभी मैंने ऊपर लिखा कि ये करेक्ट होगा, तो दिस वन इज ट्रू, करेक्ट है ना। हमें आंसर लिखना है करेक्ट और इनकरेक्ट, तो दिस वन इज करेक्ट, इसमें कोई इश्यू नहीं है ना। 3 4 बिलोंग्स टू ए। उसके बाद थर्ड वन, इन थर्ड वी आर गिवन सेट, देखो अभी इसमें थोड़ा दिमाग लगाना है। 3 4 and this one is subset of A. One set is there whose element is set of numbers 3 4 is the subset of A. What about this one? Very good. और कोई है ना? This one is one set. This one is set. This one is one set in which only one element is there, and that one element is the set of numbers 3 and 4. So this is the part of the set A because set A also consists of one element which is the set of numbers 3 and 4. So this is subset sign. So it's a true. Fourth one, we are given 1 belongs to A. What is the meaning of 1 belongs to A? 1 1 is the element of set A. 1 is the element of set A. Yes, it's the element of set A. So it's a true. Correct. Given statement is correct. Now fifth one, 1 is subset of A. 1 is subset of A. False. ये ऊपर आंसर दिया, 1 is not subset of A. 1 belongs to A. Sixth one, 1 2 5, one set having element 1 2 5 is a subset of A. So yes, the elements 1 2 5, these 1 2 5 are the elements of set A. So it's a true. This set is the part of set A. 7 number. But if we are giving 1 2 5 belongs to A, then what about this? This one is false. True. कौन बोल रहा है ट्रू? बिकॉज 1 2 5 बिलोंग्स टू नहीं होगा, ये होगा, हमने यहाँ पर लिखा है। 8 1, set 1 2 3 is subset of A. False one. This one is false. Ninth, इसका हम रीजन लिखना चाहेंगे तो क्या लिखेंगे? 1 2 3 नॉट सबसेट ऑफ ए, है ना, ऐसे लिख देते हैं। 9th नंबर, 5 5 बिलोंग्स टू ए, बोलो फॉल्स, है ना। 5 बिलोंग्स टू नहीं होता है। नल सेट इज द सबसेट ऑफ ऑल द सेट्स, ऐसा हमने सीखा था, है ना। नल सेट, एम्प्टी सेट इज द सबसेट ऑफ ऑल द सेट्स। तो हम 5 सबसेट ए लिख सकते हैं, जैसा कि हमने दिया है क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 में। 11, what about this one? Set with 5 is subset of A, so it's a false। यहाँ पर लिख सकते हैं कि this one is not subset of A। क्लियर? इसमें डाउट किसी को? फोर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, you have to write the subset of the following sets। सबसेट लिखना है। So question number 1, so first is given set with element A, so all possible subsets are Yes, null set is the subset of all the sets, and set itself is the subset of itself. Done. So these are the all possible subset. और कल मैंने ऐसे भी आपको एक फॉर्मूला लिखाया था कि टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल सबसेट, है ना, नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल सबसेट equal to 2 raised to m, what is m? M is number of elements in a set. So here number of elements in a set is 1. So it's a 2 raised to 1 equal to 2. So only two possible subsets are there, which are 5 in set itself. Clear? Number 2. Suppose we are given set A, B. So here number of elements in a set are 2, A and B. Two elements are there. So number of possible subset, number of possible subsets are 2 raised to m equal to 2 raised to 2. So total 4 possible subsets are there. That means you have to make the list of 4 sets. So subsets are, first you have to write null set. Null set is the subset of all the sets, and set itself is the subset of set, and we can also write one set with one element. So it's a set A, and another is set with element B. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Total 4 possible subsets are there. Clear? Now question number 3. Third, here we are given one set with element 1, 2, and 3. So here number of elements m equal to 3. So number of all possible subset are 2 raised to 3. So total 8 subsets are there. For the given set 1, 2, 3, total how many subsets are there? 8. So we have to make the list of that subset. So subsets are, we'll start with the null set, then set itself. Then you have to write the set with one element. So we can take 1 as element, 2 as element, 3. Done. Then we have to consider element with two elements, a set with two elements. So it's a 1, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 3. Done. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8 possible subsets are there. Fourth one, 5. What is the meaning of 5? Empty set. Empty set matlab how many elements are there? 0. So number of possible subset कितने होंगे? 2 raised to 0, 1 ही होगा, और वो 1 कौन सा होगा? Set itself. So it's a 5. Clear? Now next one is question number 5. Question number 5 is the important question for 1 mark. How many elements has P of A? कोई मुझे बताएगा ये P of A क्या होता है? How many elements are there in P of A? So number of elements in P of A, number of elements in power set, if A equal to 5. Done. तो कल ही फॉर्मूला दिखाया था, number of elements in a power set, number of elements in power set is equal to number of all possible subsets. So that is equal to 2 raised to m, where what is m? Where m is number of elements in a set A, and our set A is null set. So value of m is 0. put m equal to 0. So we are getting 2 raised to 0, and therefore number of elements in a power set of A is equal to 1. Clear? ये समझ में आया है ना? और क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स in a power set of A, and our A is null set. Null set means a number of elements in a set A are 0. So you have to take m equal to 0. Done? So number of possible subsets, number of possible subset is equal to number of elements in a power set. What is power set? Power set is the set of all possible subset. है ना? यहाँ पर हम all possible subset लिख रहे थे ये क्वेश्चन में. अगर इसका हम एक सेट बना दें, क्या कर दें, एक सेट बना दें, तो जो सेट होगा उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, पावर सेट बोलेंगे. तो पावर सेट के अंदर कितने एलिमेंट्स आएंगे, क्योंकि जितने भी पॉसिबल सबसेट होंगे. क्लियर है ना? क्वेश्चन 3 में जो सेट 1 2 3 है उसके सबसेट है, और ये जो सबसेट मिले उसको हम एलिमेंट कंसिडर करके इसका एक सेट बना दे, तो जो सेट मिलेगा उसको. सो राइट द फॉलोइंग एज ए इंटरवल्स. चलो फटाफट देख लेते हैं. सो फर्स्ट वी आर गिवन x where x belongs to R -4 less than x less than equal to 6. Done? So here -4 is excluded and 6 is included. So when -4 is excluded or not equal to sign is there, so you have to use round sign, round bracket. So it's a -4, 6 is included, so you have to use square bracket. Clear? Second one, x where x belongs to R -12 less than x less than -10. So here both endpoints are excluded, not equal to sign यहाँ कहीं पर भी नहीं है. So round bracket यूज करेंगे, -12 -10. Third one, x where x belongs to R 0 less than equal to x less than 7. 0 is included, 7 excluded. Sorry, so it's a 0 7. Fourth one, x where x belongs to R 3 less than or equal to x less than equal to 4. So here 3 and 4 both endpoints are included. So it's a square bracket, 3 4. Done? Students, so now question number 7, we are given the intervals and you have to write the intervals in set builder form. देखो question number 7, given interval is -3 0. अभी आपको लिखना है, कैसे लिखेंगे, set where x is x belongs to R. We are writing interval as a subset of real numbers. तो आपको ये x belongs to R कंपल्सरी लिखना है. x where x belongs to R. Now round brackets are there. So it's a -3 less than x less than 0. है ना? -3 और 0 को आपको इंक्लूड नहीं करना है. आ गया समझ में? ये आपका 1 था. सेकेंड नंबर, यहाँ पर आपको लिखना है क्लोज इंटरवल 6 to 12. सो क्या होगा, x where x belongs to R 6 less than or equal to x less than equal to 12. क्लियर? हाँ बोलो. हाँ ले सकते हो, है ना, पॉजिटिव है तो ले सकते हो, लेकिन अभी हमने जो इंटरवल स्टडी किया ना, हमारा टॉपिक क्या है, इंटरवल एज ए सबसेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स. तो हम नंबर लाइन ही कंसिडर करें और नंबर लाइन का पार्ट कंसिडर करें. कल का लेक्चर आपने स्टडी किया था ना, उसमें हमने क्या किया था, नंबर लाइन का एक पार्ट उठाया था. और नंबर लाइन क्या होती है? रियल नंबर। तो आपको ऐसे कोई नहीं करना है, आर ही रखना है। ठीक है। आप नेचुरल नंबर लिख सकते हैं। क्या? ना, अभी रिजॉइन नहीं करना, अभी मुझे 12th में जाना है। एक्स वेयर एक्स बिलोंग्स टू आर, कितना टाइम बाकी है? हाँ, तो ये बस ये क्वेश्चन खत्म कर देते हैं। 6